Today we are looking at a completely reconditioned Des Moines sewing line. This unit has been brought into the shop, has all new belt. All of the wear components have been inspected, changed if needed. The sewing head has been to Des Moines Sewing. As you can see, it is chaining like a machine gun. The unit has been completely through the shop. We have these small spools of thread on it for demonstrational purposes. We have larger spools of thread available. You can see this unit is variable height just by adjusting the crank here. This unit has been upgraded with the photo eye. This unit has two different setups. We have it in auto right now, or we can go to foot control. That will allow you to start and stop the conveyor belt. Very nice for single person bagging. We'll go into the auto mode here, and we will run our bag through the sewer. A little hard to do one-handed. There we have it. We'll go ahead and do that again. There you go. This unit runs just as it should. As I said, it is chaining like a machine gun. It's running like a sewing machine. This particular unit is Unit AA, Unit Alpha Alpha. This unit is also 110 volt. This unit and many more like it are readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. For all other seed, feed, grain, recycling, and research equipment, please reach out to us. A link to our website will be in the video description down below. Thank you for watching.